Good morning, children. In the next chapter, molecular basis of inheritance, we will discuss the structure of RNA or the ribonucleic acid. As we know, like the DNA, the RNA is also the polymer of nucleotide and is also made up of three components, pentose sugar, but here the pentose sugar is ribose. In DNA, the deoxyribose sugar was there, and the nitrogenous base, the same purines and pyrimidine. In the DNA, the nitrogenous base is A and T and C and G. Here adenine, guanine, but instead of thymine, the uracil is there. So cytosine and uracil. Instead of thymine that is present in the DNA, here the uracil is replaced. In the DNA, thymine is there, but here the uracil is there, and the phosphate or phosphoric group. So like the DNA, it is also made up of three components: phosphate, sugar and base. The 5-carbon pentose sugar, the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On the 1 carbon, the nitrogenous basis is added, and 2 and 3, 2 functional group are there. In DNA, the 1 functional group is there, and on the 5 carbon, the phosphate group is added. So when the 1 nitrogen base attached to the another by the glycosidic bond, and here the phosphate is on the 5 carbon. The RNA is a single stranded structure, we know, and it is of 3 types. The 3 types, the messenger RNA, that is mRNA, ribosomal RNA and transfer RNA. The mRNA bring the information from the DNA from the nucleus. Ribosomal RNA help in the protein synthesis, and the transfer RNA transfer amino acid or collect amino acid from the cytoplasm for the protein synthesis. As we know, the ribosome, the mRNA formed in the nucleus, formed in the nucleus, but it works in the cytoplasm. So normally this is the structure of the RNA. Now we discuss how the RNA is formed. Now we discuss how the RNA is formed from the DNA. mRNA is formed from the DNA. The idea of molecular mRNA is given by the scientists Jacob and Monod. The Jacob and Monod given the idea of mRNA in 1957. Now we discuss how the RNA is formed from the DNA. For example, the DNA, we know the DNA is a double-stranded structure. So DNA, it is a 3' and it is the 5'. So these are the nitrogenous bases A, T, G, A, whatever will be there. So we have kept here. Now the RNA is formed instead of A, the T will be there, but the T will not be there. Instead of thymine, the uracil is there. So uracil is the complementary of TA. Instead of C, U, C, the complementary nitrogenous bases will be formed here. A, U, A and G and the C. So the complementary nitrogenous bases are formed here. So this is the DNA and this is the RNA. So now this is the double-stranded DNA. We repeated again. This is the DNA, and when the RNA is formed, the RNA is formed, it has the some part coding and some part non-coding. So the non-coding part are called intron, है ना? Non-coding part are called intron. I mentioned the red one, the intron. Intron, this one, intron 2, intron 3, intron 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And these are the coding part. Coding part axon. These are the axon, that coding part. है ना? So these are the coding and these are the non-coding. Now the endonuclease. है ना? This type of RNA is called heteronuclear RNA or HRNA. है ना? Because it contains both the part coding and non-coding part. Now the non-coding part are removed. How it is removed? Where we cut it into pieces. The nucleus, endonuclease, cut the HRNA into pieces. है ना? So the endonuclease enzyme cut the HRNA into pieces. Now the intron and axons are separated. है ना? These are separated. It means in between these are the red one are the intron and the blue one are the axon. They are coded. So E1, this one we are putting the name 2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7 and E8. है ना? The cut into pieces. Now the axons are ligases. है ना? Axons are attached with each other. Because the introns are removed, now the ligase enzyme, है ना? The enzyme ligase connect the axon with each other. So now we add the axon. All the axon joined by ligase enzyme. So these are the axons joined with each other. So these axons are highly unstable compound. है ना? It is highly unstable compound. It becomes stable when the cap and tail attach to it. है ना? So now we attach the cap here and the tail, then it become the stable mRNA. है ना? So now we do it. The HRNA is a unstable compound. So the stabilization of the HRNA is by adding the cap and tail. The cap is added on the 5 prime and the tail is added on 3 prime. Now it is from the mRNA. है ना? So it is from the now mRNA. Now we are showing the whole structure of the mRNA. This is the strand of mRNA. It contains the cap. It contains the cap on the 5 prime. Cap on the 5 prime and tail on the 3 prime. है ना? This is the tail and this is the cap. And the first structure that is here is a start codon. है ना? The first structure that is here, the start codon, and the start codon is methylated guanine. or we can say the methylated G. And on the tail, the polyadenine. The tail is made up of polyadenine. So polyadenine tail. Polyadenine, the long chain of adenine. That's why we call the polyadenine tail. And this structure from here to here, the structural genes are present. The structural genes they are going to help in the protein synthesis. So now we discuss the process again. This is the DNA, double-stranded DNA. This is from the heterogeneous mRNA, the coding and non-coding part it contains, and the endonuclease get the splicing. The cutting is there, so the axon and introns are separated. So now the axons are, these are the axons. Axons are joined by ligase enzyme. So the heterogeneous first the HN RNA is formed by adding the cap on the 5' and 3 on the tail. This is the mRNA is formed. This process from the formation of DNA up to here, the formation of mRNA from DNA is called transcription. This process is called transcription. From the DNA, the mRNA is formed in the nucleus. When the nucleus mRNA is formed, it come out from the nucleus and help in protein synthesis. So the formation of mRNA from DNA is called transcription. When the mRNA is a short-lived, short-lived, for example, when as soon as the translation is over, the protein synthesis over, they dissociate. For example, when the 100 molecules they form the protein. So every protein molecules, the different mRNA is needed. That's why we call it is a unstable compound. So it is a unstable compound, and here the 5' the cap is there, the tail is there, the start codon is methylated, start codon is AUG. We forget it because it is a RNA, so the start codon is AUG, and the stop codon may be any of out of 3. So it is a stop codon, and the structural genes are present here. So this is the structure of mRNA. Now we discuss the structure of next the tRNA.